Okay, so I'm gonna do another unboxing. I'm going to get the title one. This is the LDS version. Again from the Romanian side. Like it has Romania, as it said, ORG. It says produce original. So yeah, let me. Remove the plastic wrap. And there goes straight to this. Oops. Okay, we have. I don't have this one. Yay, Cheerion. Oh, this is my favorite set, and you know, I already have Yunnan, so she'll be up for sale. Okay, again, the lyric paper. And the stickers. That's why I have them also. Okay, it's another Cheerion, because I got her last time too. Poster, let's see what one I will get. Okay, there were two with this concept, but I think I don't have this one, so yeah, I think I got all 3 posters. Yay! And the postcards still have the paper stuff. I have Yuna, so she will be up for sale there. And postcards. Yeah, so this is so quick, but like there are tons of unboxings out there for these already, and like I've shown the inclusions already, so I put these in here so they don't get damaged. Okay, I have the Apple markers. Because I sometimes am not sure if I'm gonna purchase all versions of certain items, so I buy and then I get dupes from the albums, but it's fine. Okay, so this is this version. See. Okay, really nice bib, high quality pictures. Which is good. However, the packaging itself not very creative or interesting. Like, yeah, maybe. Like, yeah, it would be cool if they do like one photobook version and then the others are more like for like the whole group, and then the other versions are more fun. I think definitely want them to do more fun packaging, like for reading a lot. Okay, this, no, it's not this one, maybe this one was the poster, no, one of these was the other poster, this concept. Yeah, this checkmate figure, and removing some other concept. Okay. She's so pretty. All of these in the side. So exciting getting all the versions. I think it's like one by one. I have, as you see, I unboxed previous, and I have the ones that are 3 more to go. Yay! Thanks to. Let's just see. Let's see. So I think by like what I can see, I think it's Yuna's version. But I'll check for sure at home. So yeah, that was it for this unboxing, and see you next time. Bye.